In the heart of the ancient kingdom of Veridonia, surrounded by dark forests and treacherous mountains, stood a majestic castle. This was the home of Princess Serafina, renowned not only for her unparalleled beauty but also for her intellect and bravery. The kingdom thrived under her wisdom, and she was deeply loved by her people. One fateful night, during the grand celebration of the Harvest Festival, an eerie silence fell over the castle. As the moon reached its zenith, Princess Serafina retired to her chambers, feeling an inexplicable weariness wash over her. She lay down on her ornate bed and fell into a deep, unnatural slumber from which she could not be awakened. The news of the princess's mysterious sleep spread quickly, and a pall of sorrow and fear enveloped the kingdom. Despite the efforts of the kingdom's finest physicians, healers, and even sorcerers, no one could wake Serafina. Her parents, King Alaric and Queen Evelina, were heartbroken and desperate to save their daughter. In the midst of the kingdom's despair, a strange letter arrived at the castle. It was unsigned and written in a cryptic script. The letter claimed to know the cause of the princess's condition and offered a solution. However, it demanded that the king and queen send a brave soul to the Whispering Woods alone to retrieve a mysterious artifact known as the Crystal of Dreams. The letter warned that the journey would be fraught with danger and that only the pure of heart would succeed. The kingdom's most valiant knight, Sir Cedric, volunteered for the quest. Cedric was not only loyal to the crown but also secretly in love with Princess Serafina. He believed that if anyone could save her, it was him. With a heavy heart but a determined spirit, Cedric set out for the Whispering Woods. The Whispering Woods were a place of legend, filled with twisted trees, hidden creatures, and dark magic. As Cedric ventured deeper into the forest, he encountered numerous trials. He faced enchanted creatures that tested his courage, cunning illusions that played on his fears, and treacherous terrain that threatened to end his quest at every turn. After days of perilous travel, Cedric reached the heart of the forest, where he found an ancient, crumbling temple. Inside, bathed in a soft, otherworldly light, was the Crystal of Dreams. As he approached, a voice echoed through the chamber, warning him of the crystal's immense power and the grave consequences of using it improperly. Undeterred, Cedric took the crystal and began his journey back to the castle. When Cedric returned, the kingdom held its breath. The royal court gathered around Princess Serafina's bed, watching as Cedric placed the Crystal of Dreams on her forehead. The crystal glowed brightly, filling the room with a warm, golden light. Slowly, Serafina's eyes fluttered open, and she awoke from her deep sleep. The kingdom rejoiced, but their relief was short-lived. That night, as the moon reached its zenith again, Serafina fell back into her unnatural slumber. It became clear that the crystal alone was not enough. The mysterious letter's writer had not revealed the full truth. Determined to find answers, Cedric returned to the Whispering Woods, this time with Serafina by his side, still in her enchanted sleep. Guided by an unexplainable force, Cedric ventured deeper into the forest than before, to a place where reality and dreams intertwined. There, in a hidden glade, Cedric encountered an ancient sorceress named Morgana. She revealed that Serafina's sleep was caused by a powerful curse cast by a vengeful spirit long ago. The only way to break the curse was to confront the spirit in the Dream Realm, a place where only the bravest souls could venture. With the Crystal of Dreams, Cedric entered the Dream Realm, where he faced the spirit in a battle of wills. The spirit, a manifestation of ancient grievances and sorrow, tried to overwhelm Cedric with despair. But Cedric's love for Serafina and his unwavering determination to save her gave him the strength to persevere. After a fierce struggle, Cedric managed to break the spirit's hold over Serafina. As the spirit dissolved into nothingness, the Dream Realm began to fade. Cedric awoke to find Serafina's eyes open, her smile radiant. The curse was broken, and the princess was free at last. The kingdom celebrated their hero, Sir Cedric, and the brave Princess Serafina, who had faced unimaginable dangers. Their love, born of courage and sacrifice, blossomed, and they ruled Veridonia together, ensuring peace and prosperity for years to come. The tale of the sleeping princess became a legend, a story of love and bravery that would be told for generations, reminding all that even in the darkest of times, hope and determination could overcome the greatest of curses.